Here we are, Redlands BBQ Bicycle BBQ.
Shipment.
Okay.
Got a nice
they come and go all the time. We haven't been getting a whole lot like
Bontrager right there. Original guys before tracks bought them out. Is it Bontrager? Bontrager? How do you say that?
Yeah. You got
I have no idea.
Yeah, I've got some 315.
No, 02.
This is their shop here. They got parts. They just wanted a $5 donation. You can come in and you can use their tools.
I've got it at home somewhere.
They got bikes for sale. Like I said, there's bikes up here on the wall.
No, I'm going to be in Arizona. I got to go to Arizona tomorrow.
They got jerseys. Good in here.
Okay.
I'll be back next Saturday.
Page 09.
They got jerseys,
Okay.
Okay. If you don't mind.
Yeah.
rims, jerseys, all kinds of parts. This thing looks kind of cool here. This little tricycle with a couch. They said it works, but don't have brakes. It's just got the coaster brake. If you want to know where they're at, this is the alley off State Street or off Citrus. The chocolate place is right there on my right. We're right across from Chamber of Commerce. They're just, we walk back here. They have certain hours. It's posted. See if they got the hours posted in here. I don't see the hours. It was like, here it is. Tuesday 30, 6 to 8, Saturday 12 to 3.
Okay.
More.
That's about the best we got.
Now when I was looking at that one, but they said the guy's dad already got it.
This is really the best one. That's, she don't grow in a hurry. That'd be a little small for her for long.
Yeah, she's, the one that I got is just perfect for her now.
Yep. You ride that one, do you?
Uh-huh.
Good.
But we need two for us right
Yeah, need one ride together. Yeah.
What'd you call that one? A Bontrager? Treasure?
Bontrager, yeah.
Bontrager?
Yeah, Keith Bontrager, yeah.
Where was he from?
Thanks.
His shop was in Santa Rosa.
These pedals actually look pretty nice.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Just,
It took them off being
yeah.
That's a good one. Come by, get hold of it.
Thank you.
And you're the guy who runs the shop, right?
On Saturdays, normally I
Just Saturday, you're the guy here? When'd you guys move in here?
Oh, no.
It's been about over a year now.
Oh, you've been here a year?
Probably about 15 months, I think.
I mean, it isn't much, but it helps.
Very
It's been
cool.
over a year.
Other guys are here like on the Tuesday, Wednesday?
I'm sometimes here, but I'm not running it
But other than
during the
that,
week. There'll be somebody else running it during the week.
What would it take to get that bike out from under his dad?
You click it.
That's a good
I
looking
think
bike.
they pretty well got a,
He's not giving it up, huh?
the kid did a lot of work on it.
And then it'll
It pops ready for it, huh?
Yeah.
almost, but.
I'll keep. How much did he want? How much did you get for that one?
110.
Yeah, that's. I'm looking more 200, 400-ish in
That
there.
is, it could go for more than that.
Yeah, I was gonna say that looks like a lot better bike for him.
Yeah, it'll release it down into the.
It is
And just think about this.
it was an early mountain bike, but it's really good quality.
Do you get many of those in here? Few?
Most of the ones we get are just trashed.
Yeah,
We
they need
get
work.
some, but they've been,
That'd be something I'd be looking for. I could change the wheels and seat.
The back one's quick release too.
we get some, but
So
they're
if
in
you
pretty
really
sad shape.
in the car,
You guys have a phone number here?
No, we don't have a phone here.
You got an email website, right? I saw that.
We have an email, yeah.
Yeah, I got your sign out front.
pull it down and then get it back on and just put it.
That's right. You don't have to take it out. I got one off your sign.
Okay, but
Yeah,
bottom we have
I got it off your sign out
our
front.
email. You need info at Bike Barbecue.
Hold it right there for a second. Everybody's got it. Cool. Thank you.
That's because.
Got to have stickers,
Yeah,
right?
John should, if you go to if you email info at Bike Barbecue, the overall manager John, he should answer you.
The overall manager's who? Ron?
John.
John?
Oh, I'm shipping.
He's the one that started it.
We'll just take it down the road.